Hello students, welcome back to the series of solution of exploration chapter describing motion around us. So today we are going to solve questions 3. So what is the question 3 telling of describing motion around us? A girl is riding her scooter. Okay, nice. And finds that its speedometer reading is constant. Is it possible for her scooter to be accelerating, and if so, how? So what they're asking that now let's come to the solution page. They are telling that a girl is riding on her scooter. Girl is riding on her scooter. Okay, first point. And speedometer reading. Now, first of all, what speedometer measures? All of you will say, sir, speedometer measures speed. I will tell that is actually uh, partially correct answer, not fully correct. You will tell, sir, why? Speedometer measures instantaneous speed. What speedometer measures? Instantaneous speed. Now you will say, sir, what is instantaneous speed? Very simple. Suppose your speed measured at any instant or speed measured at very short interval of time. Now you will say, sir, what is instantaneous speed? Suppose you are going with your father or you are going with your mother, or your mother is driving the scooty. Now suppose at the moment when your mother is checking the speed, the moment when your mother is checking the speed, or the moment when any girl is checking the speed at the speedometer, that time what she is measuring? That time she is measuring the speed measured at that time. That time she is measuring the speed measured at that time, not the speed of total journey. That means by speedometer we don't measure the speed of average. We don't measure the average speed. By speedometer we measure the instantaneous speed. Okay, now this was asking it is possible for her to be accelerated or not. Now what is acceleration? First of all, when we are discussing acceleration, acceleration is rate of change in velocity. Rate of change in velocity. Now you will say, sir, okay, the girl, when girl was seeing the speedometer, girl saw that speed is constant, that speed is not changing. Speed is not changing, that means now you will tell, sir, okay, speed is not changing, that means it is which kind of speed? Uniform speed. But what I told, acceleration is rate of change of velocity. Now whenever we are talking about speed, that is actually we are talking about value or magnitude. But whenever we are telling speed along with direction, so direction means, sir, suppose I am telling you are going at speed 20 meter per second for the whole journey. For the whole journey the girl is going with speed 20 meter per second. But if I am telling the girl first went with speed 20 meter per second along east, then the girl went 20 meter per second along north. Now see, speed is constant, but it is probable that direction might be changing. It is possible, na, that direction might be changing. The girl's scooty speedometer is showing the speed is same all the moment. All the moment when the girl is checking the scooter or scooty, whatever, the speed is same, but direction is changing. Now you will say, sir, so what? What happened? Speed is same, na, but speed along with direction will give us what? Will give us velocity. That means speed is changed, but if direction speed is not changed but direction is changing, that means velocity is also changing. See, here I have written that speed is constant but its direction is changing. Direction changes means what? If the girl's scooter is changing the direction, That means velocity is changing. If velocity will be changing, now we know what acceleration is, rate of change in velocity. Accelerated motion means rate of change in velocity. As acceleration is rate of change in velocity, that means it is possible for the girls to be, it is possible for the girl scooter to be accelerated. So that is the answer. So you will write, yes, it is possible for the girl to be accelerated as direction is changing, though speed is same, but direction is changing. That means velocity will remain unchanged. That's why we can say that velocity will change. As velocity will change, so acceleration will be also there. If velocity will not be changed, initial velocity, final velocity, all that would be same, then that time velocity would be 0. But here speed is changing, but direction it's not mentioned. Direction may be or might be changing, na? So that's why acceleration will be there. So thank you.